Hello dear students, I hope all of you are good. Grade 9 Chapter 1 Physical Quantities and Measurement. Today we will start new topic, that is 1.5 Scientific Notation. In our last lesson we learned about prefixes, that it converts very large and a very small value into standard quantity in the form of symbols. So here I have a chart, I have a table 1.3, and you can observe prefix exa, peta, tera, giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, auto. Also their symbols are available and their multipliers are available in power of 10. So how we can represent these prefixes? Let us suppose we have an amount just like 25, and there are 18 0 with 25, so it will be difficult for all of us to write these zeros. Sometime it may happen that a few mistakes occur due to these type of values. So for reducing these mistakes in our calculation, we use prefix. We will use prefix, and prefix are basically word or letter which can be added before SI units, and it can be used with both base and derived unit. And keep in mind, we can't use double prefix. So here with 25 we have 18 0, so we can write it in power of 10. 25 multiplied by 10 raised power 18 meter. Okay, so in place of 10 raised power 18, here in prefix chart on the very top you can observe exa, whose symbol is capital E, is equal to 10 raised power 18. So we will replace 10 raised power 18 with capital E, 25 E M. So here this one is the physical quantity. 25 shows numerical magnitude, M shows SI unit, meter, and E exa shows prefix. Okay, in scientific notation we will represent our value in power of 10. So that's the definition of scientific notation, that a number is expressed in some power of 10 multiplied by a number between 1 to 10 is called scientific notation. This is also called standard form. So any one of you can tell me what is standard form? Standard form is basically when decimal point is written before the last non-zero digits, then we called it standard form. Okay, so here I have an example for you. Example of scientific notation: distance of moon from the earth. You can observe that 384 million meter. Okay, so if you want to convert this value to simpler form, so what you will do, you will convert it in the form of scientific notation. Okay, so as I already told you that if we have value 384 million, then point will lie at the end of the number. Okay, so you will move your point up to 8 places. When you will move your point up to 8 places, then it will be converted into 3.84 multiplied by 10 raised power 8 meter. So this one is the standard form. So I already told you, when decimal point is written before the last non-zero digit, then we called it standard form. If you will write it 38.4 multiplied by 10 raised power 7 meter, then it will be in the category of scientific notation, but you are not able to call it standard form. Okay, here I have another example for you: 62750. You can also write this value 62.750 10 raised power 3. When you will move your point up to 3 places, then you will write 10 raised power 3. Okay, you can also represent it in power of 10. When you will move your point up to 4 places, then you will write 6.275 multiplied by 10 raised power 4. And next 0.6275, when you will move your point up to 5 places, then you will write it in power of 10 also. Okay, but among all these in question number 2, all the values are correct. All these are lie in the category of scientific notation, but when we will talk about standard value, then the second one is correct, 6.275 multiply 10 raised power 4. Okay, so let's see third question, 0.0045 seconds. Okay, so you will move your point up to non-zero digit 4.5. okay, so 4.5 is multiplied by 10 raised power minus 4. When you will move your point from right side, then value will be in negative form. Okay, and if we will move point from left side, then our value will be positive. Keep in mind, in scientific notation there is no restriction. We can move point according to our choice. We already observed this thing in question number 2. Okay, so in question number 3 we will move our point toward right. Okay, so it will be converted into 4.5. we move our point up to 4 places, then we will represent it in power of 10 by 10 raised power minus 4 second. Okay, so you can also write it 45.0 multiply by 10 raised power minus 5 second. But keep in mind, both these answers are correct, but the standard form is the first one, 4.5 into 10 raised power minus 4 second. Okay, so that's the page number 8 from your textbook. So let's discuss it. Okay, firstly they are telling us that a simple but scientific way to write very large or small number is to express them in power of 10. So whenever you want to convert any number into any large number into smaller number, then you will move your point up to certain places, and then you will express that movement in power of 10. Okay, just like 384 million meters are converted into 3.84 into 10 raised power 8 meter. Okay, so this form of expressing a number is called the standard form or scientific notation. Here we have a definition of scientific notation, that in scientific notation a number is expressed as some power of 10 multiplied by a number between 1 and 10. Okay, so the first part is clear, that a number is expressed as some power of 10. Now let's discuss the second part, that is 10 is multiplied by a number between 1 and 10. When we will convert it in standard form, then we will observe that power of 10 is multiplied by a number which lies in between 1 to 10. Just like 384 million meter is converted into 3.84. 3.84 lies in between 1 to 10. Okay, here in the last paragraph we have another example, 62750. This number is when converted into standard form, then we get 6.275 multiplied by 10 raised power 4. Okay, so 6.275 lies in between 1 to 10. Okay, in the last line you will observe that here we have a number 0.00045 seconds. Okay, so whenever you will convert it in standard form, then it will give you 4.5 into 10 raised power minus 4 seconds. So 4.5 also lies in between 1 to 10. So keep in mind, whenever you will convert your value in standard form, then it will lie in between 1 to 10, and this will considered as the correct 100% standard form. Okay, so Here the question is that why we use scientific notation. What is the reason behind this? We use scientific notation for converting a very large value into smaller. By this way we can get accurate and error-free value. Okay, just like that, here in tidbits mass of the various objects are given there. So mass of ocean, just look at this, that's 10 raised power 24. This means that there are 24 0 with power of 10. So it will be difficult for all of us to write 24 0 with power of 10. So for this purpose we will write it in standard form. Okay, so that's the end of the topic. That's a written assignment. Define scientific notation. Secondly, write the number given below in scientific notation. You have to convert these 4 questions in scientific notation. So, and next topic tomorrow we will discuss measuring instruments. Okay, take care.